the easy way to get subscribers on Snapchat public profile fast. So if you want the easiest way to get subscribers on your Snapchat public profile fast, then open up your Snapchat. Once you open up your Snapchat, you need to go with the upper left, which has that profile option. Under profile, you can just scroll down, go with add to my story, and go with the right side, which has three dots icon. And from here, you need to go with story settings. Once you're under your story settings, now you just need to simply go with the friends only or everyone. If you have everyone option, you just need to simply set your story to public. Once you've done that, you need to go back and you need to go with the upper right, which has that contacts option. Now under contacts, you need to scroll down, and from the quick add, you need to add at least 5 to 10 persons. So you just need to simply add 5 to 10 persons, and once you added them, then you will get your subscribers fast. So here you can see that I have 110 subscribers. If the other person sends you a request, then there will be a subscriber. And once you've done that, now the next thing you need to do is you just need to simply go with the video shaped icon, which is on the bottom right, and you can go with the camera icon, and you can simply create your spotlight videos, or you just need to simply post spotlight videos, which will just gain a lot of public attendance and you'll get the subscribers fast. So these were the ways to get easiest subscribers on your Snapchat public profile, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.